Alright, so I'm doing swap out some handlebars today. Going from the rental twin walls, really nice. Lasted pretty long for me. Actually crashed quite a few times. And we're going from the rentals to the Phoenix handlebars. So we'll definitely be doing time lapse on that. You only need a selective set of tools. So right now I got out a I believe it's a 1/4 inch drive with 8mm and a 10mm that I'll be using to take off the handlebars, and then a flathead screwdriver to be able to take off my starter button, mode button, and kill switch button. So we'll go ahead and get that